Tree Felling Algester. Tree Lopping Logan is your trusted provider for professional tree services in Algester, Queensland. We specialise in tree lopping, tree felling, stump grinding, and land clearing to ensure the health, safety, and beauty of your property. Our team of qualified arborists offers a full range of services, including tree trimming, removal, and maintenance, tailored to meet your specific needs. Tree lopping and trimming are essential for maintaining healthy trees and reducing the risk of falling branches. We also provide tree removal for dead, diseased, or hazardous trees, ensuring safe and efficient removal with minimal disruption. For leftover stumps, our stump grinding services leave your yard clean and ready for landscaping or construction. Additionally, we offer land clearing services to prepare your property for development or landscaping projects.